Hello, guys. It's been a while now. We are live. Um, so, this stage, we are going to work on this project of mine, which is Liberty Beats, and it's kind of a digital audio workstation. So, you make music from it, but at least it should be the goal of this project, right? So let's see how it's looking right now. So this is the main page. We have here the tracks. I can add the track. For now, it's all the tracks are empty. I can select the bars. This is a ruler. So a lot of buttons here are just not attached to any logic for now. Maybe just the play does play some notes. These also are not working, but I've already draw the piano roll, and it's working. So you can play notes. And I'm now working on the MIDI editor. So my goal now is to, by double clicking here, now it's not doing anything, but my goal is to create notes. So every time the user press double clicks on this grid, the software will create the tracks essentially. Let's try to do this. Let's see how it goes. So we are here in the MIDI editor key grid, which is the grid we just saw. I use React for this project. This component is using a use effect to draw on a canvas this grid here. So I want to attach another listener to the canvas. And it's double click. Double click. Okay, on double click, we want to right now just console log. And maybe we can print the position. Yeah. Let's see. Inspect. So Okay, it's working. But maybe we want to clear this, so we should, yeah, uh, return a listener. This will close. We'll clean the error listener we have attached. So we can create actually a constant here, a function, const on double click event. We can just assign it like that. And when we return, we delete. Let's refresh. Yeah, so now we only have one. I'm not sure if these are the actual positions, because I expect if I double click here, since the canvas starts essentially here where the grid starts, I expect that double clicking here will give the console log double click 00 or 1010, let's see. But it's actually printing 300 and 900. So I think it's referring to the X and Y position of the entire page. So maybe we have to take another, we have other page X, offset X, moment, X and Y, let's try minus Y, let's refresh. I think it's the same. Maybe we can see if we can access the X and Y's of the canvas. So to make the relative position of it, the click. So let's try canvas left, client left, unless client top. Let's see if this works. 0, 0, 0, 0. So I don't think it's working. So maybe let's get let's see, let mouse double click position, canvas, right. Okay, so we need to use this get bound direct. Right. Canvas get bound direct. X, Y, double click. Let's see if this works right now. Yeah. Yeah, I think right now we are getting it. Yeah. So now we want to attach a listener, but maybe since this grid is taking the list of the keys to render, maybe we can say from within the grid we can say that this particular key is triggered, and in which bits so this is just by the position. So we are drawing the grids, and if the user clicks here, it means that it's playing a F1 on this bit. So on oh, double click, but yeah, double click. So we need to know the key index, which is the Y. Key rectangle height. Yeah. 4 is the greatest integer less than or equal. Yeah, I think that could go. And the bar is the same thing, but the ruler bar with, yeah. So we can now code the props on double click. Can say on key, double click. So name this this will update the dependencies. Okay. So on double click. For now, we'll just key and bar number. So we want to add this key in this bar. Let's see. Let's refresh. So F1 on the fourth bar. Okay, it's one. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I see. C1, 1, C1, 2. Yeah. So we are dividing by the full bar width and not the bit. So yeah, I think that's better to to select the exact beat and not the bar. So let's rename also this. This is beat. Oh, with big beats. The beat and this comes from the ruler. Let's say that our beat is this one. And we are dividing by this x. So we name also this. Double click x canvas grid. Double click x and grid double click y. Let's refresh. D6, 8. Yep. 9, 10. Yeah. So it's working. Okay. We can now at least save this. So make a git commit. It adds double click listener to MIDI editor. Great. This is right now it's a private GitHub repository. I think that once I got a first stable version, I'm gonna to open source it, so you all can contribute it if you want. Okay, so we are listening to on-key double click here, and we now want to add a key to the current track, because we have the tracks here. So the one that's highlighted, we want to edit it. So we want to edit the current track notes, and we have a state for that, which is in playlist. Here we are. Bars. So we want an action here. we have an action here. That's called add key to current track, and what we want as payload, we want let's create some types here. Types index.ts. So add export const type. What do we want to call it? Let's see. Add key. Add key to current track. Payload equal export not const. So we want a key. We want a bit, and maybe we want also key duration. So duration, it's a number, and yeah, I think that's all. Yeah. And this is our payload here. Oops. Let me copy. Have the input. And yeah, Copilot is really smart. So the select bar ID, I think we don't really care, because when I'm on this, I can avoid selecting a bar actually. Yeah, I can avoid it. I will not. Maybe I can create it if there isn't any bar. So the bar is this object here. I think I can create it. Yeah. Okay, so let's export the action. What's the problem here? Oh, okay. So we need to select a bar, but maybe the bar doesn't exist yet. So we just want to const. bar equal tracks bars find, and we want to find B is bar track bar. We want to find the first bar that bar starts at tick. Oh, tick, not beat. Okay. Maybe let's rename it. Start at tick, and that tick. Hit start at tick. And that's version key and ID. Okay, we want the bar that starts at which static is minor equal the static of our key, and the end at tick is oh no. Yeah, so the bar length must include the start at least the static of our new key. So static minor equal. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So this can be undefined, and if it's undefined, if not bar, we can create one. With this is let. So this is a let. Var equal ID ID is actually the we can just I think we can just use a unique ID here for now at least. So UUID JavaScript. There must be a library, right? Yeah. So npm install UUID. Let's do that. Create a new terminal. npm install UUID. Good. So we can now use it. The ID is this one. the title would be track title plus, yeah, bar length plus 1 for now. Track bars push bar notes push. It's okay. I think we are good. So the TypeScript server is complaining about UUID. Let's try to see if let's try this one. So npm install okay. Okay, we are good. Now we want to use this action inside our editor. We have the dispatch here. No, not yet. Oh, by the way, I'm using Redux here. Don't know if you already guessed it. Dispatch, we could use dispatch from Redux. Let's dispatch the add key current track. Key is not from React. Key is from our model. Duration, okay, duration. It's a bit tricky because I think we must save it somewhere. So in the media editor store, let's save the last key duration, because maybe if the user adds a 2-bit note, maybe it wants to add, chances are that they want to add another 2-bit note So we save the last duration and use it for the next key. Let's say that last duration is 2. And we are set last key duration. Export it. And here in the key editor, const last key duration, the selector, we can export our selector here. Export const select last key duration. Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay. Something's happening because this one is the bar that I add by default. But right now, if I click here, another track is added here. And if I click here, another track. If I click here, it's the same. Okay, these overlaps, but okay, let's see. I will add to the 7th. Yep, it's working. It's not rendering the keynotes here yet, but it's doing something in the back, and it's good. It's fresh. So I think for today is good enough. Let's close it for today and good night.